today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to contour and highlight, or highlight and contour with a tomato. We're going to transform this to this. Let's get into it. That brow, it's pretty good.
Eyebrows on fleek, the fuck.
It's pretty nice. So before any application, you want to make sure you moisturize your face. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Holy Hydration. Did I just spit? So you guys want to make sure it doesn't matter how much money you spend, if you don't take care of your real skin underneath the foundation, it's not gonna look its best. It's not gonna look as great because you're neglecting your real skin. So happy skin, happy beat. I don't know if that makes sense, but whatever. I'm also going to use e.l.f.'s lip scrub because by the time I'm done with the application, you want your lips to be soft. So I'm gonna go in with this scrub. Also super affordable. We're gonna go in with Touchinsol. Wow. We're gonna go in with No Problem by Touchinsol. I cannot stress it enough, guys. Take care of your skin. Take care of your skin, okay? Don't think you're gonna be having some smooth foundation sensations when you sleep in your makeup. It's not happening. You can just throw that whole idea to the garbage. Like, throw it right in the garbage. It's not happening. Alright, next I'm going to go in with another primer, the PoreFessional primer. I like to put this right in here because I have really big pores and I want this area under my eyes to be as smooth as possible. Going in with my fave, we're going to be using the Born This Way in Tiramisu. This is a darker shade, but I like going in a little darker than my actual because I think they said chai. Chai was supposed to be my color. It wasn't looking like it. I am a full coverage type of gal. We don't do sheer at all. There's like no in the middle with me. It's bare or highly glammed. We're gonna go ahead and pack this into the skin. And it's not caked either. Okay, it's a thin line. Extremely thin. And press in your foundation, people. Don't swipe. Push it in. We're gonna go in with Born This Way concealer in Chestnut. You wanna get to the side of your nose? Go all the way here. Don't go past that. Go at the top of the forehead. I got a small head, but I find ways. And then down your nose. And we're gonna go in with the Covergirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in Warm Honey to highlight right there. Not too much. Now, we wait. Isn't this cup so cute? My boyfriend got it for me. Get your sponge. A clean one, okay? I didn't have time.
Why the fuck you lying?
I didn't have time and I don't want no judgment here. So, get you a clean beauty sponge. Wet it. She needs to be moist. Okay? Moist. She needs to be moist and ready for battle because we're going to blend. You basically just want to keep it here like a triangle. Right in here. That's it. And I like to, with the concealer, actually put it on my lid. When I'm not doing a eyeshadow, I blend up into my eyelid. I lost some of my brows. It's okay. I'm gonna set everywhere we put concealer. I'm going to be using, why am I flopping it like that? What we're gonna do is we're gonna set our concealer with our setting powder. I'm gonna be using Brown Melanin Makeup powder in translucent. Your girl's doing translucent. It's hella white, but it just does something. Another setting powder that's really awesome for darker skin tones is the Becca Golden Bronze Hydra Mist setting powder. Bomb. It's just this powder right here is currently, you know, on my face. I'm just obsessed with this one right now. We're going to be using the Black Opal True Color foundation stick in ebony brown. And we're just gonna sculpt these jaws because, honey, I'm tired of looking like I've been in quarantine. And you wanna go, a best way to know where to put your contour is you could just suck in your mouth and go down that line. That's an easy guide to see where you want to contour. When you contour, you wanna contour and brush up. You don't wanna drag your face down. You wanna brush up to make an illusion that your cheekbones are a little higher. You can also squeeze in your mouth. Or my favorite, the Cardi. Might have went a little too crazy with that. But it's fine. So you want to make sure you blend it to make it seamless and not like seamless. Sis, you're not done. Blended, we just started. Okay, so we're gonna go in with our translucent powder and we're going to cut right here under where we contoured just to clean it up. Y'all, this thing is just too smooth. This setting powder is just too smooth, honey. With the Morphe M173 brush, we're going to contour our nose. We're gonna gently blend down the bridge of our nose. Not the bridge of our nose, but the side of our nose. And then you're going to blend up into your brows. Now we're gonna go in with blush. You could, my favorite is the Shayla times Colourpop and Construct. This is one of my favorite blushes. Like, it just does something for me. We're gonna be using these stunning lashes by Wink Luxury Lashes. They're super big, super fluffy, and I'm here for it, okay? Because I am a dramatic lady. So these are the lashes. I'm gonna change them. They're a little much for me. I look a little, you know. I'm a bit back. And I am back. I got my lashes on. They're big, they're fluffy, and I'm here for it. We're gonna go in with the Bobbi Boss in Bronze Glow. This is such a stunning highlight. Shout out to one of my friends for giving it to me. I want to place that right above the blush. And y'all look. Blinding. And because I'm such a highlight hoe, we're going to put it above the brow bone. I'm going to line my lips with the matte lipstick in Dudu by Juvias. And we're gonna go in with the Fenty Uncensored. So this is the final look, guys. I decided to go with a nice red lip. It is fall. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys got some helpful tips. Thumbs up this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, like, get into this slay.